Hey guys, so I thought today would be the perfect day for me to do my makeup. I have been using new products and I wanted to highlight those because I get a lot of questions on, what products I use on my skincare and my makeup. And so I think I would do a separate skincare video, but today, since I need to do my makeup anyway, I thought this would be a perfect video to share the new products I've been using and also kind of show you how I do my makeup. As I'm getting older, I like kind of like the less is more kind of look. I don't really like the cakey makeup feeling. I don't like to feel that there's makeup on my face. So I think that kind of determines what products I use. So what I've been using has been working really nicely for me, and I thought it'd be perfect to share them with you today. And like with any video, I'm going to list everything down in the description box below so you can check it out at your convenience. No pressure there. So let's get started. I've already applied my skincare. Like I said, I'm going to do a video on that, but separately on a separate day. But I do want to stress that applying a moisturizer on your face to suit your skin, some people have combination skin, dry skin, oily skin. So it's important to find a moisturizer that suits your skin type. And the one that I've been using is by I always say It's Cosmetics, but it's It Cosmetics is this one right here. It is Confidence in a Cream. This has a lot of anti-aging properties and benefits. It's amazing. It's not too greasy or anything. I've used quite a bit. This is like my 5th jar already. I feel like it gives you everything you need. It absorbs really nicely into the skin. And then whenever I go in with my foundation or my concealer, whatever it is, everything lays perfectly nice. And whenever I smile, I don't feel like I'm just dry, where I can actually smile comfortably and feel good in my makeup. Okay, first off, I do like to apply a color corrector underneath my eye. Right here, I do have some discoloration more so than on this side. So I've been really enjoying this color corrector by Huda Beauty. It is in the color Pink Pomelo. It works really well. I use a little bit, just do that and do this. And I apply it to the under eye area. And I sloppily just move it around and I let it set. So while, there's no rhyme, just slap it on there. And then while that's taking place, I go in with my foundation. This is another product by It Cosmetics. It is their Bye Bye foundation. My color's in medium. I like the matte version because it just really works nicely. You know what I mean? A little bit does you good. That much. Remember, less is more. I like piling on or building, I guess. And I like to be able to see my natural skin peeping through. Unless I go to an event or something like that, then I like so much makeup, you know what I mean? Because you're going to be taking pictures and things like that. And but just for every day, just for getting your life together, running errands, working, going to the office, I think this is just fine. And it feels so nice on the skin. It blends out beautifully. It's effortless, Just evens everything out. Then I'm going to go in with my concealer. I've been loving this Lancome concealer, y'all. It is, my color is in 250. I always like to go a shade or two lighter on my concealer. I like it to look bright under there. I like to look awake. That's hard sometimes. So I just blend it out. I do focus on this area and then where that discoloration is. I try not to blend too much there, Let's do this. I used to be that one that would do all the techniques and stuff, but that just doesn't work for me, for my lifestyle. And then I blend it out with another brush. I've been loving doing a little bit of contouring with this bronzer by, let's see, it's by Lancome, and it is in the shade number 2 Solaire. Just a big, and it's not orange, it's not red, It's not too pink. It's just like a neutral for everybody type of bronzer, which that's what you got to go for sometimes. You know, you got to, so much work to try to find your perfect shade. I go under here to like chisel the double chin. And I really like to focus on the highest points right here and kind of work it into my hairline. Okay, next up, guys, I have been really enjoying ULTA products. This is a multi-stick. The color is At Last. And all I do is I roll it up, get a brush, and I try to go with a round, dense brush. This one is number 56 by Sephora. I don't know if they have discontinued this, but it's really nice. Any dense brush will do. There's one the e.l.f. sells, it's really dense. That one will work too. I start at the highest points and I just bounce the brush up like this. I also do what I used to do as a kid, and I do the tip of my nose just to give me a little healthy glow, like a little, I don't know. And what's good about this is you can use this on your lips as well, which I like, but it's buildable as well. So if it's not your jam the first round, just add more and it'll be your jam, trust me. I'm also gonna add some to my lips in a little bit, but when I get to my lips. I'm going in with L'Oreal Infallible Brows 24-Hour Volumizing Mascara for your brows in just brown. That's the color, just brown. And what I do, I'm not really fussy with my brows. I used to get them microbladed, but I'm just kind of over that at this point. I give it a quick brush through. I use this and just add, it fills in some gaps if you have any. So if that's what you're using this for, it does help with that. And then just brush through. So simple. And it also keeps them in place all day, which I really enjoy. So now I love curling my eyelashes. If I do not curl my eyelashes, they're bored straight and they go down, which is why I use a waterproof mascara formula. There's something about waterproof mascara that just keeps my curl all day. And if you're looking for a really good eyelash curler, guys, Tweezerman is where it's at. This one's really good. It's about $20, but I've had this forever. Now I'm using Maybelline's The Falsies Lash Lift in just the Glam Black or the Blackest Black. Again, waterproof formula. And I give myself about 3 coats at the end of the day. I just feel like I love my lashes to pop. If I'm gonna go with the like natural makeup look, I want to have my lashes pop. You know what I mean? And this does it. I don't know what it is. I don't know what they put in this mascara, but it darkens your lashes. It makes them long and volumizes. And that's just 1 coat. Isn't that amazing? Okay, this next product is by LA Girl. It is their highlight. Look how beautiful this is. It is like the prettiest color ever. A little bit does go a long way. When you first purchase it, I will warn you, you have to kind of like break the topping seal, just like a little bit. And I just do the highest points of my cheekbones for that little glow. You're never too old for a little glow, girls. So don't be afraid to give it to you. Give it to yourself, you know? I always do the bridge of my nose. I do the highest points of my cheeks. And sometimes I'll bring it up to my forehead, but all in all, the 3 main points are the bridge and these points right here. And that's it. So I'm grabbing that ULTA multi-stick in At Last, and I'm just doing this number right here, warming it up on my fingertips and just applying a little bit on my lips. Look how beautiful this is. It's so pretty. And you can throw a gloss on top if you wish. If you're a glossy kind of girl. Just love it. So pretty. At last, ULTA. You can't go wrong. All right, guys, that is it for this natural look. I've shared some newer products that I've been using. I hope you guys enjoyed. Join me in my next video. I'll see you soon. Bye.